Yo, what's going on everyone? It's Mike here, and today we're going to be reviewing the Toughpower GF1 power supply from Thermaltake. For this review, we're going to want to look at the different features and capabilities of this PSU so you know whether or not it's worth it for you. With that said, let's go ahead and get started. Starting with what's inside the box, first we have the user manual, followed by, of course, the PSU itself. It comes in wattages of 650, 750, and 850 watts. And then we have the cables and connectors, which are all fully modular, which makes cable management super convenient. Now, looking at the Toughpower, the chassis itself has a steel mesh design that obviously provides air ventilation, but also looks very stylish. It's pretty cool how they put the steel mesh not just at the top and the back, but also around the sides of the PSU. So there's just a bit more extra air ventilation. Now, what about performance? Well, for starters, this power supply is 80+ gold certified with up to 90% energy efficiency, so you already know it's gonna have great performance. Not only that, the Toughpower also has an incredibly low ripple voltage at less than 30 millivolts. For those of you who aren't familiar with ripple, it basically refers to the fluctuation in voltage of a power supply. That might be a bit of an oversimplification, but the important thing to note here is that 30 millivolts is very low. This means that the Toughpower's voltage is much more stable than many other PSUs out there, which is extremely good to have to ensure that your components, like your GPU, aren't on the receiving end of unstable voltage outputs, which could ultimately result in errors and overheating. Additionally, the Toughpower comes with a strict voltage regulation of less than ±2%. So in the event that there are any unforeseen or external voltage changes to the input voltage, the power supply is able to keep it at under a 2% change for the output voltage. That way the PSU is able to maintain its voltage at a specific level while performing as optimally as possible. The Toughpower also comes with a Smart Zero fan function that you can turn on and off using a switch at the back of the PSU. When turned on, it actually minimizes fan noise, so this is a great function to have if you can't stand a noisy PC. So as you guys can see, the Toughpower GF1 PSU impresses on so many levels. Its design, its efficiency and stability, everything is just top of the line. All I can say is that TT really knocked it out of the park with this one. It's a great PSU and definitely worth checking out if you're looking to upgrade your power supply. And that's all for today's video, guys. Let us know what you think about the Toughpower GF1 from Thermaltake in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and smash that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. This is Mike. See you next time.